Profit and loss report. A profit and loss report, also known as an income statement, is a financial statement that summarizes the revenues, costs, and expenses of a business over a specific period of time, typically a month, quarter, or year. The report provides a snapshot of company's financial performance and is used to evaluate its profitability. The profit and loss report typically includes the following components: sales, cost of sales, gross profit, other income, expenses, net profit or loss before tax, income tax, net profit or loss after tax. You can access this report from Accountants area, Reports, Management Reports, Profit and Loss. You can select date range. You can select cost of sales based on purchases or sales. If you select purchases, when you generate profit and loss report, system will display all purchases under cost of sales. If you select sales, system will display only sold items cost of sales under cost of sales. You can select or you can filter by particular analysis code. You can group by month, quarter, or year. If you select quarterly, you can group by monthly. If you select yearly, you can group by month or quarter. If you select all, you can group by yearly. Like that, you can group by your profit and loss report. You can group by analysis code. You can choose analysis code, and from here you can select analysis code. You can compare with last year. You can compare with budget variance. You can display budget variance and decimal values. If you have created any reporting groups, you can view, report, detail, or summary. If you want to exclude any accounts, you can exclude that account. You will generate profit and loss report. First, you will generate yearly. You will select cost of sales based on purchases. You report. System will display sales, cost of sales, gross profit, other income, expenses, net profit or loss before tax, income tax, net profit or loss after tax. Now in this report, cost of sales based on purchases, total purchases is 489,500. Total purchases is 489,500, and gross profit is minus 296,796. We will generate the report again by selecting sales. Refresh. If you select cost of sales based on sales, system will display cost of sales only for sold items. Now in this report, cost of sales less than previous report and gross profit is higher than previous report. We will select quarterly and we will group by month. You can see month-wise and total profit and loss report. We will select yearly and we will group by month. Refresh. All months will display and total will display. We will group by quarterly. System will display quarter-wise and total. We will select all for date range and group by yearly. Refresh. System will display yearly profit and loss report. If you have any analysis codes, you can filter by analysis code. We will select yearly for date range. After that, we can compare with last year. We can check compare with last year checkbox and refresh. System will display previous year and current year. If you want to view decimal places, you can check decimal places and checkbox and refresh. System will display decimal places. We can check on budget checkbox and we can select the budget. Refresh. System will display actual values and budgeted values. If you want to view the variance, you can check on budget variance checkbox and refresh. System will display actual amounts, budgeted amounts and variance. If actual value is higher than the budget value, variance will display in blue. If the actual value is lesser than the budgeted value, system will display variance in red. You can exclude accounts by checking this checkbox. Furthermore, if you have created any reporting groups, you can view detail or in summary. If you check this reporting group detail. You refresh. Here we have grouped, and those accounts will display separately. You can go for accounts, select account reporting groups. Here we have grouped these 3 accounts under admin expenses. Now those 3 accounts will display under admin expenses. We will uncheck reporting group detail, refresh. Now system will display all 3 accounts in summary as admin expenses. These are our 3 accounts and group name admin expenses. Now GL accounts will not display and system will display admin expenses as summary. We will check again and refresh. Now you can view the GL account separately. You can view your profit and loss report by analysis codes. You can select group by analysis code and you can select the analysis code, refresh. System will display analysis codes. Now here we have created 2 analysis codes, project 1, project 2. System will display project 1, project 2. And when you are entering transaction, if you haven't allocated to any analysis code, system will display those transactions under uncategorized column. System will display total values. Like that, you can generate your profit and loss report. By clicking these transactions, you can view details. You can export this report to PDF, Excel, and CSV. You can print or email this report.